Tubers Mezcal here. So it would appear that all the swapping out capacitors and poking around has been a complete waste of time, and that if we have a zoom in here at what's going on there, see the crack across that board where it lands. I was poking that relay last night and it started to get turn on consistently, and then I tapped it again and it stopped. And yeah, having a good poke around. If my eyes were good, I would have seen that. Oh, it sucks getting old. Yeah, anyway, shout out to Zero Bytes. We were having a chat about getting, you know, the process of working through what's wrong with things, and it made me take a photo to show him how it was sitting in the board there, and I noticed the crack. And I zoomed in on it, and sure enough, I'm out in the shed now to solder it up, and hopefully that's all it was, because I did get it to power on last night and become intermittent after it doing that. So I got all excited, was ready to put it together, and yeah. Alright, soldering iron's on. All I've got to do, I can probably do this one-handed. If I can just get in there with the soldering iron, poke that up through there. I want to zoom in on that, don't I? I am zoomed in. Right up on that one. Like that. It's not too bad a shot. You know what, I'm going to do a hands off and just reflow a bit of fresh solder in there.